Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix this version of AMD Radeon Software is not compatible. Make sure to watch the video to the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. If you are facing this error, then your first solution is to go to the bottom left, you can see right here in the Windows section, and then you're going to search for Device Manager. Once you find Device Manager, going to click on it. Then from here in Device Manager, once it loads, it's going to expand right here. And so we're going to look for the one that says display adapters right there. Click on it and expand it. Now for you, it's going to say AMD graphics instead of Intel. I'm just using an Intel for demonstration, but it's the exact same steps. So you're going to just click on it, right click on properties. Then from here, you're going to go to the driver. And so if you have the option to roll back driver, then make sure to click that. If it's grayed out like this for you, then you can do is to click on update driver, and then from here you can search for browse my computer for drivers, click on next, and then from here you're going to click OK. Now if you don't have it, then let me pick from the list, and then from here is going to just click on the first one that you see and then click on next. So now it's going to install the drivers. So now we have successfully updated the drivers for it. And now another solution that we can go to is to open your browser. And on your browser, you're going to search for AMD driver update. And then from here, you're going to click on drivers and support and processing graphics. Then from here, you're going to click on accept and then download Windows drivers. Now from here, you're going to install it anywhere you would like. And then from here, you're going to just click on the launcher. Once you click on the launcher, click on yes, so that it starts installing. And then from here, it's going to launch the AMD software. And now from here, once it's installed, then you're going to click on next. And now, of course, if you don't have an AMD, then it's going to give this error. But if you do, you can just click on next and it's going to start installing and downloading everything automatically. And after that, you can just restart your computer and you're done. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.